In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download Instagram Reels for free to your laptop just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So what you need to do first, just open your Instagram homepage like this and go to Reels, okay? And choose which reel video you want to download to your laptop. So for example, I found this one and I want to download this one to my laptop. So I will just click over here on this 3 point like this, and I will copy the link of this Instagram reel video. Copy the link from here like this. Go to Google, okay? Go to Google, search for download Instagram reel, okay? And click on this link. Make sure to use this website. It's Snap Insta, okay? Click on the first link like this, Instagram reel, and it's gonna take you to this home page of this website like this. So what you will do next, you will put the link of your Instagram video here like this, okay? And click over here on download, okay? So you just need to wait a few seconds. I will click on close, scroll down, then you should see your Instagram reel video here. Click again on download video like this. I will close this one, and here you go. Your video, your Instagram reel video will be download to your laptop. If we click over here on download, let me show you, and if we click on this video, here you go. Your video will be download to your laptop, as you can see. So that's how you can download Instagram Reels to your laptop for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.